Hi, Charity Simmons, PSP fitness instructor from Cold Lake Air Base. Today I made curry chickpea pasta salad. So you cook up your pasta or rice. I did cauliflower rice today. So cook that up. I sauteed it, put some sauteed some garlic into it, and added my curry. Then I let it cool. Keep in mind with curry, I added a fair amount. My curry was getting, it's still good, but it was getting a little old, so it didn't smell as fresh as it could. So I added a little more than I probably normally would to get that hot flavor out of it. You can add as much as you want, but keep in mind as you cook it, the longer you cook it, curry gets hotter and hotter and hotter, so add it slowly. Then I made, in a little bowl, I stirred up Greek yogurt, pepper, lime zest, and some lemon juice. I didn't add salt to it. There's already salt in my chickpeas, even though I do no salt added. And I did rinse them, but I always add salt after. But you do what you like there. Then I cut up some apples, some pepper, and some cucumber. And mixed my dish together, and I topped it with raisins. Haven't tried it yet, but if it tastes as good as it smells, I'm gonna go with a 5 out of 5. Way too easy. Have a good one, guys. Take care.